Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understanding on one of the most important topics in physics, Newton law of motion. I will explain first law, second law and third law with simple English, real life example so that any students can understand the law of motion. Let's start. Newton first law of motion. This law is law of inertia. Simple meaning. Explain the first law. Newton first law says that objects do not like to change their state. If something is at rest, it want to stay at rest. In motion, it want to stay in motion unless an external force in apply this resistance to change is called inertia. Five example, real life example. First law, book on the table. First example, book on the table. A book remains at rest until you push it. Second example, sudden break in a bus, then a bus stop, suddenly passenger move forward. Third example, pulling at table cloth quickly, planes stay at rest when cloth is pushed fast. Fourth example, dust for the carpet dust fall out, then you bed to recaps. Fifth example, suddenly passenger in a moving bus, then the bus started, suddenly you fall backward. Spoken definition. First law, Newton first law, a statement, then an object remained at rest or in uniform motion unless attacked up by an external force. Newton's second law of motion, force and acceleration. Simple, define this, and this law explains how much force is needed to change motion. More force, more acceleration. More mass, more acceleration. More force, more acceleration. More mass, less acceleration. In shorts, force equal mass into acceleration. Real life example. Second law, push on empty loaded cart. Loaded cart needed more force. Second example, catching a football versus a stone. Football move more, stone less. Pendling a bicycle. Harder. More pendling give more speed. Throwing a light bulb versus heavy ball. Light bulb accelerated faster. Fifth example, car acceleration to powerful engine give faster acceleration. Second law definition. Newton's second law state that the acceleration of an object in identified directly proportionally to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. Third law, Third law of motion, action to reaction. Action to reaction. Simple. Every action has a reaction. If you push something, that thing push you back with equal force. Force always come in pair. Simple life example. Third law. Newton. Third law. Law of motion. Action. The action to reaction. Simple. Define as simple life example. Action to reaction. Every action has a reaction. If you push something, that things pushes you back with equal force. Force always come in pairs. Real life example. Third law. Walking. You push the ground backward. Ground pushes you forward. Second example. Swimming. You push water backward, and water push you forward. Gun. Recall. Gun move. Bullet move forward. Gun move backward. Jumping. You push the ground down, and ground push you up. Rocket launch. Fifth example. Rocket launch. Gas gone down, rocket gone up. This is third law. रॉकेट जब ऊपर उठता है एंड वो जस्ट जो थ्रस्ट रहता है नीचे की ओर, रॉकेट ऊपर की ओर उठता है. थर्ड लॉ एग्जांपल स्टेट दैट फॉर एवरी एक्शन देयर इज अ इक्वल एंड opposite reaction. Conclusion. Newton's law are not only physics law, they are law of daily life. Once you start observing, physics becomes easy to interesting. If you like this explanation, subscribe for more video simple physics learning. Thank you for watching. Hit the channel and like, share, and subscribe. Tata. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.